Hello students, today we like to do revision for mathematics SPM. Today we focus on stem and leaf plot, right? Okay, as you can see, how to read the stem and leaf plot, you have to focus to the key here, 248 stroke 4. So meaning that is 248.4. So we have 248.4, 248.7, 248.8, right? So we have three data here. And here we have 249.2, 249.3, 249.6, 249.6. So we have four data here. This is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, right? So that's how you read the data. Okay, the data is already arranged in order. This 250.0, 250.0, 250.1, 250.1, 250.6, 250.9, 250.9. So if I want to read, this is number 8 here, number 9, number 10, 11, number 12 here, number 13, number 14. Right? So because we have 2, 4, 6, 7 here, we have 7 data. So this is number 14. Right? So we have 251.1, 251 point. We have to know how to read, okay, before we can solve. Okay, we have 251.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Okay, all must start with 251. 252.1, 252.5, 252.8. And last one is 253.0. So that means the minimum is 248.4 is a minimum value, is a minimum. And the maximum value is 253.0, right? Okay. So now the question is asking to find median. So in order to find median, we must know how many data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. This one got 3, this one got 1. So total data we have 3 plus 7, 10, right? And then 4 plus 6, 10, 3, 1. So we have 24 data. Is 24 odd or even? Okay, so normally when we find the median, if we will ask ourselves, is it odd or even? Even, right? So if even, we need to divide by 2, which is the 12. And then we have to plus 1, which is the 13. That means we take 12 over 2 plus 1. Remember the formula is n over 2 data plus n over 2 plus 1 data, right? And then you have to average it, divide by 2. This is the formula, you know. Okay, so this is a formula which is a bit complicated. So now, okay, forget about this formula. We just take the 12 and the 13 data. I use the green color. Number 1, okay, let me just erase again. I want to find the data which is number 12 and number 13, you know. So let me see. I have the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the one I want. 12 and 13. So it's 250. It's 250.6, right? One more is 250.9, right? So you take these two, you find the average, meaning that you are going to add them up. 250. So let me write down. We will take 250.6 plus 250.9 divided by 2. Okay, now you press your calculator. 250.6 plus 250.9. So what is the answer? You divide by 2. The answer is 250.75. Okay, that's how you find the median. Got it? Okay, in order to find the upper quartile and lower quartile, upper quartile is Q3, right? Okay, let's see how to find Q3. We have 24 data, right? Okay, Q3 is 1 over 4 times 3, 3 quarter times 24, right? So we have the 18 Q1 is 1 over 4 times 24, which is the 8th. Okay, so we need to find the 18th minus the 8, so for the interquartile range. So first we find the Q3. So the 8, this is the 3rd, the 7, so the 8 is 250.0, right? 250.0. Okay, let's see. We have 24 data, right? 24 data. Okay, so let me see. So let's divide into group lah. 24 data, that means the median is, let's divide into 3, 7, and then here, right? We divide into 4 group. So each group will have 6 member. So this is group 1. Okay, I call this is group 1. Okay, now we are going to divide the data into 6 group. So here I group them. I use a red pen. First group. Second group I use another color. Okay, another color, this one. From 6 onward until here. Okay, this is second group. Okay, then third group I use a green color. From the 9 until here, right? And then the last one we will have another 6, right? Okay, we divide into 4 group. That means the first quartile is, okay, normally we will start with the median. Median is here. This is a Q2. Alright, so the Q1 is here, and the Q3 is here, right? So this is Q3, this is Q1. So that means Q3 is, okay, let's use a calculator. So Q3 will take the 251.5 plus 251.6, right? And then we divide by 2, average. And then for Q1, because both are the same, so it's easy. You average the 2 is still 249.6, right? So our Q1 will be 249.6. Our Q3 a bit troublesome. We have to press the calculator. 251.5 plus, this is 5, plus 251.6, and we divide by 2. We have the 251.55. Okay, our third quartile here, third quartile is 251.55. Okay, our lower quartile is the first quartile, is 249.6. This is the answer for lower quartile is here. Lower quartile means Q1. So in order to find the interquartile range, we just minus 251.55. We minus with 249.6. Alright, so we minus 249.6. So the answer is very small. It's just 1.95. So the interquartile range, we want to find the interquartile range here. This one, the interquartile range here, this one, is actually it's just 1.95. Okay, so we have solved how to find the median, how to find the lower quartile and upper quartile, Q1 and Q3, and how to find the interquartile range. You just minus, right? IR is just minus. Okay, so today's lesson will be focused on stem and leaf plot and find the median, find the median, find the first quartile, and find the interquartile range. So our median is 250.75 gram for A, and then our Q3 is 251.55. I have shown you how to do, right? And our Q1 is 249.6. So you have to read because the data is already arranged in order. And finally, we find the difference between these two. We call as interquartile range is 1.95 gram. Okay, that's all my sharing for today. I will share with you more questions on revision for SPM exam. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.